Welcome to our guide on the importance of lighting and transforming your living room. Today we'll cover the different types of lighting, the latest trends, how to choose the right lights, and some DIY tips. Let's start by understanding the three main types of lighting: ambient, task, and accent. Each plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious living room space. Moving on to the latest lighting trends for 2024, we'll explore smart lights, sustainable options, and statement pieces, and how they can complement various living room styles. Choosing the right lights for your living room involves considering factors such as room size, ceiling height, color scheme, and functionality. We'll also discuss the importance of adjustable lighting and dimmers for versatility. For those who love DIY projects, we have some simple ideas for creative and personalized lighting solutions, including safety advice when working with electrical components. In conclusion, we encourage you to experiment with your living room lighting and share your transformations or tips in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content on transforming your home into a beautiful and inviting space.